Technology in motion. Witness the power of modern engineering in action as machines conquer challenges. From cutting-edge precision to raw strength, this is innovation at its peak. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let's dive right in. Drop A1 in the comments if this video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creativity. We can try to control its direction. We can plan and strategize, but in the end, the tree makes the final decision. This will definitely impress you and maybe scare you a little. Whoa, felling a leaning giant like that is no easy task. I once saw a tree leaning for 30 years, just waiting for someone brave enough to take it down. Then this awesome crew showed up, smiles all around, and they handled it like it was nothing. That image is burned into my memory forever. This is where the legendary loggers work, and this is the machinery they use to get the job done. Whoa, check out this beast of a machine. This Volvo loader can lift a whopping 19 tons. And lucky for them, they've got a skilled driver who's about to make this unload look easy. Stay tuned for some heavy-duty action. This moment shows the importance of staying calm. Under pressure, the driver faced an obstacle, assessed the situation, and found a solution. It's a testament to skill and composure, a valuable lesson for us all. You know, sometimes things look lighter than they really are. Like a tree falling, it looks graceful, right? But that doesn't mean it isn't heavy. In fact, it can be incredibly dense. This reminds me of a few situations. We all know time is money, right? That's why you need the Vermeer WC2500TX. This chipper is all about maximizing productivity. With a 600 horsepower engine and compact design, you can clear land faster than ever. The smart crush system and variable speed and feed keep things running smoothly, no matter the job. Plus, it's designed for easy maintenance, so you spend less time wrenching and more time working. Here's a look at a stump harvesting operation in Finland, and I bet you guys find this equipment just as fascinating as I do. Felling a tree is serious business. It's not just about grabbing a saw and going to work. A precise approach is crucial, with every step carefully planned and executed. Whoa, check out this beastly cat. 3 for 9F in action. That 61-inch bucket is insane. But hold up, no thumb. How are they gonna handle those massive stumps? This is wild. Smash that like button and subscribe for more epic construction content. Even when the timber hits the ground, the danger isn't over. Rolling logs, snapped branches, unexpected surprises happen. Safety first, always. Let me tell you, logging in New Zealand is on another level. Picture this, massive trucks, up to 150 tons, thundering down private forest roads. And for those steep slopes and tricky spots, they bring in the tri-drives. It's a true testament to ingenuity and commitment to sustainable forestry. If the cowboys can't do it, call the pros. It's incredible to witness the dedication of these alpine farmers. They maintain a traditional approach, using equipment that echoes a bygone era. Their self-sufficiency is truly admirable. No reliance on outsourced labor, just pure dedication to the craft, a testament to hard work and a deep connection to the land. I think the crane operator owes this guy a huge apology. Hard to say if they know what they're doing or not. I know what you're thinking. No way those horses can do that. But guess what? They did. This video proves that sometimes reality is more incredible than we can imagine. Check this out. Two blades are better than one, right? This saw proves it. Clean cuts, twice the productivity. Handles everything from delicate trim work to tough lumber with ease. A win-win, no matter the project. Bye-bye. I know what you're thinking. That tree never stood a chance. And you're right, the Cat 3, the 29E is a force of nature. But it's more than just brute strength. It's precision, it's control. It's the result of years of engineering excellence. And that's something we can all appreciate. Now, let me tell you something about this LH35N timber loader. She's a beauty. But she's not just about looks. This machine is tough, reliable, and built to work. Need to transport timber long distances? No problem. Hook it up to a trailer, and you're good to go. With its new undercarriage, it stays rock solid even under heavy loads. This is the kind of machine that makes your job easier. Plain and simple. Now, the stump grinder attachment. It's a true workhorse. Grinds deep, tills efficiently, and built to last. That's the kind of reliability you need out in the field. Even when you're as careful as possible, always seem to have a way of making things difficult. And they'll put a dent in your wallet too. Wow, this stump grinder attachment. It's a real workhorse. Grinds deep, tills efficiently, and built to last. That's the kind of reliability you need out in the field. Years may pass, but his skills remain razor sharp. He's living proof that experience is king. And you know what? I'm totally here for it. Risky stuff, but someone's got to do it. Drop A1 in the comments if this video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creativity. Whoa, check out how they handle those branches. It's not as easy as it looks. See how the climber adjusts to the helicopter's movement. That's crucial. With those big machines and unpredictable winds, safety comes first, and that smooth exit when the load drops. Textbook. The moment I saw that face cut, I knew exactly what was going to happen. Glad no one got hurt. Listen up, folks. This ain't your average log splitter. Bell's Super Splitter packs a massive 76 tons of force. Yeah, you heard that right. It'll turn even the toughest logs into kindling. And with that fancy wireless remote, you can sit back and watch the magic happen. Say goodbye to Sir Backs and hello to easy splitting. The Genzhem 820DQ mobile chipper features cutting-edge technology, maximizing efficiency and throughput. With a high-powered engine and an intelligent feed system, it delivers top performance, even with the toughest materials. This machine means serious business, a game changer for any chipboard operation. This is the Easton made for 8C. Forget those weak splitters. This beast has a blade that could slice through steel. Okay, maybe not steel, but you get the idea. Logs go in, firewood comes out, bam. It's that simple. Don't be the last one on the block without this beast. Check out this Fendt 940 to Vario. This powerhouse is paired with a Genzi M583 wood chipper, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. The Vario's got the muscle for any terrain, and the M583 can chew through massive logs like they're twigs. This combo is all about efficiency and power, maximizing productivity for any forestry operation. Now, this is what I call a challenge. We're dealing with a mighty maple tree. That massive root ball speaks to its age and strength. But cutting through roots this big takes more than brute force. It demands precision, experience, and deep respect for the tree itself. So now watch. Man, this is intense. You can really feel the heat. That tree looks like it could go any second. But these guys, they're pros. They stay calm and focused. Let's send them all our best. What's up, sawyers? Today, we're putting the Stihl MS for 00 and the O for 4 head-to-head in an epic chainsaw battle. Who will be crowned king of the forest? Folks, picture this. A forest ravaged by a powerful storm. Now imagine the Ecolog 688 coming to the rescue. It navigates effortlessly through the debris, its crane reaching out like a helping hand. And the precision cutting head, it's like a surgeon's scalpel, making clean cuts and clearing the way. But don't just imagine it, watch the video. Picture this, a fully loaded logging truck barreling down a steep mountain grade. The air fills with a thick, swirling dust cloud, obscuring everything in sight. The chaos, a cinematic display of raw power and impending danger. This is seriously impressive, but to be honest, I'm a little concerned about the machinery on this one. Franklin? The Ponce, Elephant King, is a marvel of modern forestry engineering. Its 8-wheel design ensures outstanding stability and maneuverability, allowing it to navigate even the toughest terrains. With minimal impact, the operator's cabin is designed for comfort and efficiency. It's fully ergonomic, boosting productivity while minimizing fatigue. This isn't a toy, folks. This is the 640H, built for one thing: getting the job done. We're talking raw power, an unstoppable force. Need to move timber? This is the machine for the job. No excuses, no complaints, just results. Transporting timber through the dense forests of Belgium, Comes with unique challenges, but the HSM 208 tractor offers the perfect solution. Its rugged design, combined with a powerful chassis and oversized wheels, makes it easy to navigate tough terrain. The result: efficient and effective timber extraction. See that tractor over there? Man, those tires are massive, and they have to be. They need that grip for rough terrain. Imagine trying to haul all that timber without them. You'd be slipping and sliding all over the place. Let's talk truck unloading. This machine is all about getting the job done fast. It grabs the whole load at once. And the best part, tons of gripper options, so you can customize it for any package. Boom. This is the kind of situation no one ever wants to be in. It's like gambling with your own life. Now this is a real challenge, but these guys, they're built for it. Every swing counts, and with the last trees coming down, it's all about extraction. The problem is, the snow is turning the whole mountain into a trap. If they don't hustle, they're stuck. It's a game of inches now, and Mother Nature holds the advantage. The outcome wasn't ideal, but at least the mission was accomplished safely. What's the biggest challenge in land clearing? Massive tree stumps, but this excavator takes them head on. With its unique screw shaft, the result: firewood, not waste, plus you save time and money on every job. Now this is impressive. The Velvet 921 packs a Cummins engine, capable of handling 21.5 tons. But it's not just about brute strength. It features cutting-edge control systems and minimal environmental impact. In the world of forestry, this is top-tier technology. Wow, talk about a blast from the past. Submerging those logs, ingenious, minimizes decay and keeps pests away. This is authentic lumber production, folks. The aroma of fresh-cut timber, the rhythmic chug of the steam engine, watching those colossal logs meet the saw. It's a symphony of traditional craftsmanship, era of lumber production. It's remarkable to see a mill like this, still in operation, and those guys, clearly masters of their craft. All right, we're looking at the Cat 550 and 570 for here. And let's be honest, they're absolute beasts. The harvester's leveling system is buttery smooth, and the forwarder plows through anything. But hold up, something's not quite right. Those high stumps mean we're leaving money on the table. Maybe the operator needs a little coaching on maximizing every tree. Or maybe there's a method to the madness. Let's get to the bottom of this. Sydney is about to get a whole lot cleaner, thanks to this Vermeer BC210XL. Watch as it takes down this massive gum tree in seconds. This tree had dead limbs tangled with others. We had to move fast as soon as it started to lean. Each falling branch was like a heavy blow. That's why hard hats are essential. The process is absolutely mesmerizing. Massive logs are effortlessly handled thanks to powerful cranes. A specialized machine swiftly strips the bark, prepping the logs for the next stage. Then they move along the conveyor belt to the cutting area where industrial saws, efficiently slicing them into lumber. The final step is loading the lumber onto trucks for delivery. Whoa, that's one massive Douglas fir 7 feet across. Sadly, decay has taken hold, but the base might still hold some usable timber. Heavy count growth and rot. Halfway up, nature's reclaiming it. But hey, it went out with a bang. Well, what do we have here, if I'm not mistaken? That's a Kenworth T880S. Watch as it effortlessly conquers the incline, hauling those massive 35-pound logs. It's a true testament to engineering. Wouldn't you agree? Watching true expertise is a privilege. This lumberjack's precision is remarkable, working on an incline, and makes accurate cuts even harder. Yet, he maneuvers through these obstacles flawlessly. His mastery is evident in every movement. All right, folks, let's check out this wood production line. Look at those logs flying through the saw. Talk about a wild ride. And check out how smoothly they glide along the conveyor belt, getting prepped and primed to become something incredible. It's like watching raw potential transform right before our eyes. Now asterisk, that's asterisk what I call getting down to business. This beast makes quick work of those stumps. Effortless, efficient, and oh, so satisfying to watch. Got land to clear? This is your new best friend. The Cubic 2 isn't just a machine, it's a game changer in firewood processing. Built tough and engineered for efficiency, it optimizes workflow like nothing else. The upfront cost is steep, $10,000 to $15,000, but for serious producers, the ROI on this powerhouse is undeniable. We're talking reduced labor, higher output, and faster turnaround. That's money in your pocket. We all love shiny new things, don't we? And the HTZ12 Plus, it's as sleek as they come. A 45/55 kilowatt main motor, with a 160 to 180 millimeter wide blade. It's the kind of tool that makes you feel like you can take on anything. This is no ordinary machine. The DAF180D forestry mulcher is the ultimate land clearing powerhouse. It's a monster that can take on anything. Durability, check. Performance, check. Versatility, absolutely. This machine is a total game changer. The storm is rolling in, and this guy isn't backing down. That dead oak has a dangerous lean, but he's taking it head on. Resourcefulness is key in situations like this. He's using everything at his disposal. A little risky, maybe, but in the end, it works. Check out this beast, the Bandit 250T, a wood chipper's dream. That 49 horsepower Kohler engine purrs like a dream. And those teeth, forget about it. They tear through wood like it's nothing. Yeah, it comes with a hefty $34,950 price tag. But you get what you pay for. Pure power and performance. This machine is an absolute game changer. Drama, action, excitement. This operator is taking on some stubborn stumps. With the mighty Carlton 7015 TRX, will they conquer the yard? Or will the stumps fight back? Stay tuned to find out. Imagine this: rugged mountains, dense forests, and the HSM 405H, powering through it all. This machine is an absolute beast, built to handle anything nature throws at it. Rain or shine, steep slopes or muddy trails, it just keeps going. Think of it as the ultimate off-road vehicle, but instead of carrying adventurers, it's hauling timber with surgical precision. And the best part, it's so intuitive. Anyone can hop in and feel like a pro. Westex engineers have outdone themselves with the Woodcracker G1650, but it's not just about size. That 1650mm working width is impressive, but it's the smart design and minimizes downtime. This rake is built to last, featuring a durable frame and rugged components to withstand the harshest conditions. Check out this legendary ZIL 131. It's a beast of a machine. This truck can handle anything you throw at it. Overload it, no problem. Harsh terrain, bring it on. This truck is built to survive. Cutting down a 600-year-old tree is not something you see every day. It takes real expertise, but in Japan, people share a deep connection with nature. It's embedded in their culture. They see trees as living beings, worthy of respect. So when they take on a task like this, it's a balance of skill and reverence. It's truly remarkable. Mud everywhere. But these guys, they never stop. These machines are built to handle anything. And yet, they're stuck. Originally designed for municipal use, has been repurposed to help deliver firewood to households. Remarkably, it remains a strong and reliable vehicle. Its tireless service is a testament to its enduring design and value. The John Deere 959K Feller Buncher, when paired with the Quadco 28C hot saw head, shows a massive boost in cutting efficiency. No doubt about it, its high tractive effort and maneuverability, combined with the 28C's rapid cutting cycle, result in optimized timber harvesting, especially in stands with large diameter trees. This translates to higher productivity and lower operational costs. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate you taking the time to watch our video all the way to the end. Your support means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing to Heavy Tech Zone, you'll never miss out on our latest episodes and exciting updates. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and thank you for being a part of our journey.